Hi, for this video, I will be showing you how to fix try again later error on Snapchat application. So you need to open your settings application and then scroll down until you find apps. Now click on the hamburger icon with the magnifying glass to search for Snapchat. Click on Snapchat, scroll down, and under Usage, tap on Storage. On the lower right corner is the Clear Cache icon. Tap on it and also tap the Manage Storage. Before tapping on the Delete button, make sure that you remember all your login credentials to your Snapchat account. Now go back, scroll up and tap on Permissions. Make sure that all of the app permissions are enabled. After this, open the Snapchat application and try to log into your account to see if the problem has been solved. And that is all. Thank you and have a great day.